Wasn't this a wonderful day at school today, Katie?
Yeah. Hey, I wonder where Mom's at.
She's still at work, remember?
Oh, yeah. Hey,
She's a lot, but she's a bit later than she normally is.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. How was work today?
It was
wonderful, honey. How was your day at school today, girls?
It was great.
Yeah, but we learned about viruses because, well,
There's one going on now.
you're a nurse, so you probably know about it. Yes, I do, honeys. But don't worry yourself about it. Okay?
We'll soon get
We'll soon get through it. They're working on an antidote right now.
That's great, Mom. I'm gonna go to bed.
Okay, but I'm gonna play
Your banana game, I know.
my bedtime music.
Oh, great.
Yeah!
I'll just be partying in the living room. Don't mind me.
Oh, great. Will you please stop that? Like now, please! Please! Stop it!
Fine.
Thank you!
I really like that noise. I really like that music.
Now finally, I can get some sleep.
Dance in the ice sleep hell.
There.
Finally, it's morning. I'm so happy.
Okay.
Last night was terrible. Why'd you gotta go and play music all night? Like, oh my gosh. Ugh. I'm mad at you now. I'm not gonna talk to you anymore. Ugh. Guess I'll just sleep in my bed and be, I don't know. It's a Saturday, so I can be as lazy as I want. Ugh. What to do? What to do? What to do?
Waffles! Yum, yum.
I was about to fall back asleep when you yelled that.
I'm sorry, it's yummy. I'm sorry, it's yummy.
Yum, yum.
Ugh.
Yum, yum.
You know, I should try me some breakfast too.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum.
I'll try some waffles for breakfast.
Fourth helping.
This is
Where are
my
my
fourth plate
waffles?
of waffles today.
Oh wow.
It's delicious.
Oh, I'm gonna eat me some waffles.
Yum, 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 yum.
The waffles look brown. Did you burn them?
No, they're whole wheat.
Oh, great.
Mom only buys whole wheat.
Okay.
Would you like toast?
No, I'm hungry. I'm
Yum.
full. It's a Saturday. I don't know what we should do.
Okay, well, I want to stay home and watch TV for a while. Yum, yum.
How about I put on some music, I guess?
No, I'm playing music. I want to play music.
Play some of that music.
Okay, I'm playing my favorite playlist.
Alright. Awesome. Love this song.
Yeah.
Yum, yum, yum.
I'm jealous. I'm for status. When I'm down, I can look down. When I'm high, I can.
Alert, alert. All citizens need to stay in their houses at all times. Repeat, alert, alert. All citizens need to stay in their houses at all times. A horrible outbreak of the flu has spread. You need to take cover and do not leave your house or interact with anybody that is sick. 2 days. Repeat, stay inside for at least 2 days. Over.
Wow, I wonder what that was all about. It's probably some baloney.
You heard that. Okay, I guess, oh well.
Well, I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna go outside.
Don't go without me, okay?
Alright.
Don't go without me. Hold up.
You're taking too long.
I'm hurrying. Just gonna put on my roller skates so I can go fast.
Hey,
let's go to the store.
Okay. See?
Hey, Katie.
I don't feel so good.
Are you okay, Katie?
I don't know.
Follow me to the hospital, okay? Follow me to the hospital.
Can we just go back to our house?
Okay, but I'm calling the hospital.
Follow me.
Okay.
Where'd you go? Oh, I feel terrible. I feel terrible. Finally, we're home.
Let's go inside, Katie.
Okay.
You need to go to bed, okay?
I'm gonna sit down and watch TV.
Okay, just.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not feeling well. I'm gonna go to bed, okay?
Okay.
Oh, first I gotta go down. Oh my, ew, that's disgusting.
Ah!
I gotta go to bed.
You threw up full carrots and grapes. That's what you had for breakfast. Whole. Oh my gosh.
Stop joking. I almost had that chicken.
Oh, I feel terrible. I'm just gonna go to sleep. Where are we? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I still feel terrible though. Holy cow, what happened to me? I look so cute. I'm a fairy. Awesome. It must have been that virus that somehow made me into a fairy. Oh my goodness. I love it. Now, where'd she go? Oh, all of a sudden I feel terrible. Oh. Is this a bathroom? No. Oh, I need a bathroom. Oh. Why is this nothing but a cave and a forest? I'm about to barf. Thank goodness. No, where'd she go? Oh, goodness. Where are you at?
Oh, Katie, you woke up.
Yeah, where have you been? Oh, you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow. Wish I could fly.
ones too. Just try them out.
How? Ugh. They won't.
Try them out. Well, I'll tuck mine in now. I don't like mom.
Oh, wow. Well, it's been awesome. Like, we're actually both,
I don't feel so good.
Hey,
Anyways, have you met Felix yet?
no.
I'll go get him.
I'll go in the bedroom while you get him so that it'll be a surprise.
Just stay in there, okay?
Alright.
I'll go get him.
And, alright. Is Fern almost here, Felix?
Is Felix almost here?
Is Fern almost here, Felix?
Felix almost here. Because Fern is your sister. I stand up. I must
Felix. Is Fern almost here?
No, is Fern almost here, Felix?
Is Fern almost here, Felix?
What? I see you broken up.
Huh? Who are you?
Felix.
Felix. I thought that you were all friendly and nice, not, no offense, but like, weird. I thought you'd be nicer as well.
Non-stop after when you cough non-stop for months. It tends to damage your vocal cords.
I have a question.
What?
Are you nice?
If I weren't, you would be dead. Does that answer your question?
Yes.
Okay, there you go.
Fern, where are you?
Come in here in a minute.
There's something about being alone with a stranger. I have no idea who is. By myself. It's just something that I have never done. So I guess I can say I've done that, but like, wow.
I'm a go-getter, but just promise me something, okay?
What?
You won't leave this area, okay?
Why?
Because there are people that want to.
You just
People
go
that
do.
want to hurt you.
Why? I look perfectly awesome. Why would anybody want to hurt me?
They want to make money.
Oh, wow.
No, seriously.
I could hide my wings and just go around saying I'm a princess.
Honestly.
Alright, then I'll just take my crown up and my wings. Does that make you feel better, Felix?
How about this? How about you look at these scars, okay?
You have no scars.
Pulls up. Sniff the tree. I told you they want to hurt you.
Well, that's because you have
They
horns.
experimented on me. They experimented on me, Katie. So you have to promise me that you won't go with the agency, no matter what they say.
Fine, Felix.
Are you feeling better, Katie?
Yeah, I feel awesome, but Felix said that he got scars and to not. He said that he got scars and to not like go out and get the agency get him. But how would they even know that I was like different if I